Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in a Clean Your Kitchen at Night playlist that's being hosted by Mandy from Mandy in the Making and Jennifer from Cook, Clean, and Repeat. And I am going to have their channels linked below and everybody else's playlist too. And as you can see, my kitchen is a disaster. My husband and I have finished dinner. I finished making the lunches for the next day, and now I have to get this kitchen cleaned up. So I hope this motivates you to get your kitchen cleaned at night, even when you don't really feel like doing it. And believe me, I did not feel like doing this, but it was a disaster. So here we go. Sometimes what helps motivate me to keep going and clean the kitchen is I like to get caught up on some of my YouTube videos. So I'm just looking for some videos that I've missed, and I'm going to put them on my phone and watch them while I do the dishes.
Smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah, we do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love.
One of the things I love about our sinks is they came with these little baskets that go in the drain, and they're great because look at all the gunk that you catch, and it won't go down your drain pipe, so it's really handy.
Can't you see I want you? I believe 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy.
Well, here you go, guys. Here's the finished kitchen. I'm all done. Everything has been put away. The counters have been wiped down. The appliances have been wiped down. The floor has been swept and mopped up with my steam cleaner. I love that thing. And the dishes are all put away and the sink is clean. I love it. This feels really good to have done before I call it a night. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. And be sure to check out Mandy's channel, Mandy in the Making, and Jennifer from Cook, Clean, and Repeat. Thank you, ladies, for hosting this and kicking my butt to get my kitchen all cleaned up. So if you enjoyed this video, I hope that you'll think about giving it a thumbs up and even think about subscribing before you exit on out. I'd love to have you join me each week as I share new videos related to house things, either DIYs or cooking, more cleaning, organizing. But until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Don't forget to check out all the other playlists. I can't wait to see what everybody else has done. So until next time, guys, we'll see you later. Bye.